In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Steam to bank account. First, a quick reality check so you know exactly what you're doing and why. Steam wallet funds can't be transferred, gifted, or cashed out through Steam itself. That's by design, to protect the platform and comply with regulations. The only official exceptions are for Steamworks developers and approved monetization programs. For regular users, the practical workaround is to convert your wallet balance into high liquidity items, most commonly CS2 skins, and then sell those items on reputable third-party marketplaces for cash. Always review Steam's terms and the rules of any site you use before proceeding. Start by logging into Steam and opening the community market. Your goal is to buy liquid, easy to resell skins. Look for items with high listing quantities, consistent sales history, and a narrow price spread between buy and sell orders. Popular collections like Asimov or Printstream often fit the bill, but don't chase hype. Steady volume is what matters. Check the recent sales graph to confirm regular movement and avoid niche or low volume items that could sit for days. Once you've identified a liquid skin at a reasonable price, purchase it. Before you trade it out, make sure you have the Steam Guard mobile authenticator enabled. Without it, your trades can be delayed by multi-day holds, which slows the entire process. Give your inventory a moment to update after purchase so the item is ready for transfer. Next, move the skin to a trusted third-party site such as SkinFlow, SkinPort, or SkinCashier. Confirm the site's URL carefully, use only the official trade link from your Steam inventory settings, and double-check the item details in the trade window. Never share private codes or login credentials outside of the site's secure flow. When the site sends a trade offer, confirm it in your Steam client or mobile app to complete the transfer. After the item arrives on the marketplace, list it competitively. Factor in the site's fees and current demand so you're not priced out of the fastest sales. High liquidity skins often sell within hours, but timing varies. Be patient and avoid undercutting too aggressively unless you're in a hurry. When the sale is confirmed, you can withdraw your proceeds. Most marketplaces offer PayPal, bank transfer, or crypto. Expect identity verification and withdrawal fees, and understand that processing can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days depending on the method and region. Make sure your payout details are accurate to avoid delays, and remember that once crypto is sent, it's typically irreversible. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.